Hey guys, this is Jeff from the YouTube channel, The Wolf of Wisco. Today I'm going to show you guys this cool little triple E trailer that my buddy just finished restoring. All right, these cool little trailers are making a comeback, but this one is a 1973 triple E TM14 is the model, and it's 14 footer made by Triple E out of Canada. There's the logo right there, and these were all fiberglass shell. There's an upper shell that's a kind of shaped like a bowl, upper and lower, and the belt line here is where they're fastened together. So my buddy got this. This was actually his dad's camper, and it was kept it up in Ely, Minnesota. My buddy lives in New Richmond here and just finished restoring it. So on the outside here, let's go around the outside. Brand new paint job, you know, white on top, kind of a nice creamish yellow on the bottom side. New tires, baby new moon hubcaps, new LED taillights. Air conditioning unit was non-existent. He modified the roof and added some structure up there so he could support that AC unit. Rebuilt the window cranks, put in new water lines, and then this is a 30 amp RV outlet, actually made for marine use, so it doesn't fall out. It's got the clamp there, and then up front here is the lithium battery and place for tools, and this is just a storage box from Harbor Freight along with an adjustable jack. Going on the inside here, which is pretty cool, you can lock the door, you can open the door and latch it right here so it doesn't swing in the wind. Here's a dog here. This is pretty cool on the inside. The design here, we've got a bunk bed. This folds down so you can seat here, and the back of the seat folds up and latches with these retro old latches like that. Got a pizza oven up here, full refrigerator, drawer down below. It's got a charger for the battery, and what else here? We've got, moving into the kitchen area, brand new cooktop, deep stainless steel sink. Of course, that can be operated by hooking up city water or through a tank that's mounted underneath here. There's a brand new water heater under here, and then there's storage under this. The table latches with these latches here with a cool bracket, and you can fold the table down. And this is a seating area along with the full railing here to just put extra whatever you want to store, storage up there. Little storage up above here, above the kitchen area, and this really cool panel here for managing all the electrical is right here, and you got built-in breakers instead of fuses. So and then of course the custom curtains that were made specific. Tanya made these, Steve's wife. Really cool curtains in here to kind of finish it off. Also has LED lights here that are adjustable for dimming. LED there, here, up here, and back here in the storage cabinet right here. Nice little closet here, and added a nice little electric heater. So if you don't want to, there's no longer a furnace in here. We pulled, the furnace has been removed. The furnace was right here, but opted for a larger refrigerator and on a little electric heater to keep it warm in here at night. Here's a quick video how this cool table folds down into a bed position. Fold the leg up, lift, there, backrest, cover fillers for the bed. How quick was that? This side of the bed area is a brand new water heater and the water pump along with a accumulator tank and another power receptacle under here, and then the water tank is going to go right in this other side of the bed area. This is all storage. So if you got pillows, blankets, everything in here, that's all been repainted and lined with some carpet here, real clean in there.